We are using 5G radio infrastructure to perform a very holistic data collection. The data collection is coming from processes, from localizing objects, localizing products, but also monitoring environment of the production of the processes and energy efficiency of all the machines, all the production lines assisting in the process.
We can collect all different types of data. We can collect temperature data to monitor the environment as well as humidity, which in some industries has a huge impact on the manufacturing process. We can collect also data to determine the health level of any asset.
Knowing that there's something wrong happening with your machines, you can correct it, optimize your production, and that way make savings on the maintenance, production, raw materials consumption, and energy as well.
To cover an area like this one with Wi-Fi, you need several tens of access points. That means investment, but also power supply, consumption, and so on. This new technology with a single cell can cover a wide area, so are effective from the technical point of view, but also in terms of consumption, they are more green, let me say, as a solution.
If you're using a cobot and a screw driving system, you are able to have the same high quality from the first screw to the last screw in an 8-hour production. So that actually means that you're reducing scrap and thereby you're reducing the energy consumption for different parts.